On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA network. In this case, we are using CPA group, so you can create an account on CPA group so that you can get offers to promote. Once you create your account on CPA group and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, many people are using this platform to make money. You can see someone has made over $1,000. You can see this person has made over $189,000 using this platform. As a school, you can see many other people who are using this platform to make money. You can see this person has earned $32.32, as you can see it right here, just today. So this is a nice platform that you can also use to make money as a complete beginner without any skills. To make money on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to promote offers. There are many ways that you can use to make money on this platform, but I'm going to show you how you can promote offers to make money on this platform. So to promote offers, just click right here, offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to target a specific country. CPA offers, they are country specific, so you have to select one country so that you can get offers there and then promote them to the people in that country. So you can see right here, all these offers are allowed in the United Kingdom. You can see the United Kingdom flag right here. So all these offers that you are seeing, I'm supposed to promote them to people in the United Kingdom. So if you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, you can just come right here and then select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select. You can see many of them, so it doesn't matter wherever you are, you can select any country and then get offers to promote. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in Australia. So just search for Australia right here. Just search for Australia. As you can see, Australia, let me just click on it. Once I select Australia, you can see different offers that I can promote to earn money on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different offers. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the offers that have higher payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is 10 cents. That is very low, so you have to search for an offer that will pay you a higher amount anytime you get a lead. So just scroll down so that you can find those offers. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here. Grab your $500 Amazon gift card. The requirement is that you have to get people to submit a pin to get the chance of winning Amazon gift card, and you are going to be paid $13.69. So this particular offer, if you promote it and then get leads, you are going to be earning a lot of money. You can see the payout is very high. So when you scroll down, you can see the same offer right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see another offer right here. Claim your Aldi $500 voucher now. The payout is $10.27. You can see $10.27. So this one to $7.27. So any of these offers that you want, you can promote them to make money. In this case, we are going to be promoting this offer right here. Claim $100 Amazon gift card now. So when you come right here, you can see the offer is allowed on Android. So you can see it is allowed on desktop. You can see it is allowed on Apple iOS. And the best part is that our potential visitor has to enter a PIN code to stand the chance of winning the gift card, and we are going to earn $13.69. So now once you find the offer, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, just click on the offer. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is the description, this is the title of the offer, and you can see your affiliate link right here. So you have to promote this particular link so that you can get people to enter a PIN code in Australia so that you can be earning $13.69, as you can see it right here. So now once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source so that you can get people in Australia to click on your link and then enter the details for you to earn money. There are two types of traffic that you can use. The first one is free traffic and the second one is paid traffic. The free traffic, it might take some time before you get a lead, but for the paid traffic, you can get results very fast. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a cheap paid traffic source that you can use to make money very fast on this platform. The cheap traffic source that we are going to be using today is onclicker.com. On this website, you can advertise your links at a very cheap cost, and the best part is that they have different ad formats that you can use. You can see right here, these are the different ad formats that you can use. As you can see, many of them, and you can see the minimum buy is 1 cent. So this is one of the cheapest traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your link and then enter their pins for you to make money. When you scroll down, you can see more about the website. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin using this particular website to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So just click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select personal. Once that is done, enter your name, your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, enter your Skype, and you are going to enter your Skype name right here. Enter your phone number. The phone number is optional. If you want, you can enter your phone number. If you don't want, you have to skip it. Once that is done, you are going to check right here, I'm not a robot, and then click on sign up so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to add funds to your account so that your ads can run on this website. To add funds, just click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see the various payment methods that you can use to add funds onto your accounts. You can see you can use credit card, you can use wire transfer, Bitcoin, you can see Capitalist, you can see Perfect Money, Coinbase. So whatever method that you want, you can select it and then deposit money into your accounts. So for example, if you are using the credit card, just click on credit card. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the amount right here and then submit it so that they can deduct it from your account. Once you deposit money into your accounts, the next step is that you are going to begin running ads on this platform. To run ads, you are going to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on the campaigns, you have to create a campaign. That is simply you have to create an ad. So just click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to select your ad format. So you can see the different ad formats that you can select. In this case, I'm going to select push. So just click on that. Once that is done, you are going to select in-page push or web push. So just select any of them. In this case, I'm going to select web push. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here your campaign name. So you have to enter your campaign name. In this case, I'm going to type Amazon gift, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the ad group. In this case, we don't have an ad group because this is a new account, so you have to leave it like that. If you want, you can click right here, add, so that you can add a new group, but in this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the pricing. We are going to select CPC, that is cost per click. So anytime people click on your link, you have to pay. So just select that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the amount that you are going to be paying per click, but if you want, you can reduce it or you can increase it. It depends on your ability to pay. In this case, I'm going to leave it like this. It is okay. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here traffic quality. If you want, you can select any of them. In this case, I'm going to leave it unlimited. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here select an ad. In this case, we don't have an ad, so we have to create one. So just click right here, create new one. Once you click on create new one, you are going to give a name to your ad. So just type any name that you want. Let's type gift card, something like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see common URL. So you have to copy and paste the URL of your affiliate link right here. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group and then click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see URL. You have to paste it again, so just paste it right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to enter the title of your offer right here. So you have to come back on CPA group and then highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter a description right here. You have to come back on CPA group and then copy this text as your description. Just highlight and copy this text. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here you have to upload images of the offer. To upload images of the offer, you have to come back on CPA group, right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to click right here to upload the image. Just click on it so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, you have to crop the image, so you are going to bring it down. Just bring it down this way. As you can see, that has been done. Click on done so that it will be cropped. You can see it has been cropped. Once that is done, you can upload the same image right here. So let me just click on it to upload the same image. So let's select the image, click on open. Once you click on that, now let's drag it this way. So you have to crop it this way. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, done, so that the image can be cropped. As you can see, that has been done. Once you upload the image, you can see this is the preview of the ad on Android. If you want, you can select Mac. This is how it is going to appear. When you come on Windows, this is how it is going to appear. So let's leave it with the Android. Once that is done, you are going to click on save. Once you click on save, you can see this is the ad. You can see everything. So now what we have to do is that we have to type some buttons right here. You can type some call to actions right here. You can see right here, enter any call to action that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like click here to win a gift card, something like this. Click here to win a gift card. Once that is done, when you scroll down, you can see this is the button right here. You can see click here to win. So once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then continue with the rest of the details. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here select category. In this case, we are going to select mainstream. So just select it right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see you have to select the country, you have to select the browser, you have to select the operating system, you can see the device type, language, and then IP2 locations. When you come to the country, you can see the offer is allowed in Australia. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Australia right here. As you can see, just select Australia. Once you select the country, let me just show you. As you can see on CPA Grip, the offer is allowed in Australia. You can see it right here. So we have to select Australia. So once you select the country, the next step is that we are going to select the region. In this case, I'm not going to select any region in Australia, so just leave it like this. We want all the regions, so just leave it like this. You can see all selected, just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see connection type. In this case, there's no restrictions, so just select all types. Once that is done, you can see browsers. There is no restrictions, so just select all browsers. Once that is done, you can see operating systems. There's no restrictions, so just select all. Once that is done, you can see right here device type. Just click on it and then select the device type. So as you can see on CPA Grip, you can see the one right here. This offer is allowed on Android. So you have to select Android device. So just click on it and then select mobile. As you can see, mobile and tablet. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. You can see right here browser versions. There's no restrictions, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down and then if there is any detail that you want to enter, you can do that. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here continue. Once you click on continue, if you want to blacklist any website, you can do that, but in this case we are not going to blacklist any cities, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can limit the amount of money that you spend per hour, daily, and total. So if you want the impression, you can also limit it. The clicks, you can also limit it per hour, daily, and total. So it depends on what you want. If you don't want to limit it, you can leave it like this. In this case, I'm going to leave it like that and then scroll down. If you want, you can select any of the days that you don't want your ad to run. So assuming you don't want your ad to run on Wednesday, you can select that. In this case, I'm not going to select any of them. I want my ad to run all days. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Just scroll down and then click right here, create campaigns. Once you click on create, you can see campaign created. So your campaign has been created. You can see it right here. So it is waiting for approval. Once it gets approved, you are going to be getting people from Australia to click on your link and then complete the details. And once people enter their PIN codes to receive the gift card, you are going to be earning $13 per every lead. So it is just simple as that. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this particular method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.